Journey made 7/8 of a pound of fudge. Which point on the number line represents this fraction? Okay, so I already circled 7/8 because that is what I'm going to be looking for on my number line. I'm trying to get rid of this glare a little bit for you guys, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to start looking at letter choice A. Letter choice A goes from 0 to 1, but I notice that my dot, my point that's going to be representing what my fraction is past 1. And 7/8 is less than 1 because I know that 8/8, if this was 7/8 is less than 1 because I know that 8/8 equals 1 whole. So for my point to be past 1, this answer is wrong because my fraction that's being represented is less than 1. Looking at letter B could be the answer, possibly. Don't let this little extra line over here or this space trick you. They're trying to trick you. So we're going to count the spaces between 0 and 1, but I'm going to come back to that in a second. Letter C could be correct, and letter D could be correct, okay? I know that letter A is wrong because the point is past 1 on the number line, and 7/8 is less than 1 whole. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my denominator is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my numerator is 7. So this is a possibility, but I am not done. I'm going to keep on checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My denominator is 7. I need a denominator of 8. This cannot be my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. My numerator is 1, and I need a numerator of 7. So letter B is your correct answer.